Starting point po ng aming bus tour dito sa may Rex Hotel. Ayun si Ho Chi Minh. Yun si Ho Chi Minh. Ay, dumaan. Hi, Daddy. Hi, baby.
Hi, Ma. How long?
I already told you. We went there on that side.
Okay? Okay. Okay, Mommy. Can you please set up the timer?
Wait lang. Look at Mickey Mouse. Hi, Mickey Mouse. May palaboy na si Mickey Mouse dito. Hi guys, ito yung si Ho Chi Minh. Ayun, pupunta tayo dito. Wow.
I think for 30 minutes.
Nice oh, ang ganda ng ilaw.
Mommy, 30 minutes, okay?
Up to the bus stop. Ayan si Ho Chi Minh oh, guys. Woo!
Mommy,
This
I thought 30
one!
minutes. Mommy, I thought 30 minutes, but
Depends on the traffic na. 30 to 40 minutes.
I think
If it doesn't have any traffic, then it will be just 30 minutes. Oh! It's a canyon truck, baby, oh! Eh, ano yan? Rocket. Oh! Fighter jet.
I cannot be distracted.
Park, ang daming park. Ah.
Mommy, can you please
The lizard is over there.
Mommy, we finish at 9 p.m. Mommy, we finish at 9 p.m.
Ay, maybe. I'm not sure.
And we finish at 9 p.m. or 8:50.
Saigon Tower.
I'm on the top floor. Mommy, I'm on the top floor.
Vietnam! Oh, yung butot. Oh, ever the... This is like London daw. Woohoo! Nice! Really nice.
Look up there.
Oh, it's the bridge, the Walmart.
Mommy, the way that you finish, and you turn the loop, it will not go up to 9 p.m. or 9 p.m.
Look, baby, oh, bridge and then the, Vietnam flag. Woohoo! Nice, nice shot, oh, wow. Cool. How nice.
looks like a good clothes.
Ha? After the sale na. Cross naman. Bakit?
Let's go! Tika na kasama!
Laking ano oh, food court. Grabe. Live fish na po. They will cook it for you. Ganda ng coffee shop na. Ano? Ganda na. Stop. Car is moving ha. Pupulutin kita isa. Dalawa.
Questo è tutto.
Pwede oh.
Sabawan. E dura? Bye bye, young Judas player.
Ganun din talaga dito dati. Tingnan mo. Dito ka magpapark. Lalakad ka rin talaga. Para marating mo yun. Louis Vuitton na doon. Galing mga ano, Hermes. Dior. Tagal din ano.
जी दूसरा करके तुम पढ़ाते सिटी टूर को टिकट ಕೊಡ್ತಾ तुम
Saba. Diba? No. Ito dati yung Cinderella. Kanina na tayo ito. Vernier.
போட்டோம் இல்ல இல்ல இங்க திரும்ப முடியாது போடு வச்சிருக்கான்
Ayun yung Rex Hotel daddy.
ஜி இல்லங்க அப்படியே எல்லாம் போட்டோ எடுக்கலாம் நிக்கிற பஸ்ல நிக்கிற மாதிரி போட்டோ எடுக்கலாம் எல்லாரும் ஜி ஆளுங்க இருக்காங்க
Oh, doon tayo sumakay sa kabila.
Tara na.
This is where we started. Yeah, this is where we started.
So,
done, I think. So many people are getting down.
Everyone's getting it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Let's go.
Nobody's telling us.
Yeah, it's very.
Hi, hi, hi. Say hi. Hi. Oh, wait. Oh, put it down. Put it down.
No, we finish here. No, we finish here.
Okay. Yeah, this is go that way. Go. Come on, come on. Watch your step, huh?